the donut. Yes, I am. Donut. Finally, we got some. Guys, we're back at Harajuku, Tokyo. Harajuku is a nice place to stay actually. Ang ganda ng area. Sobrang quiet and relaxing yung pagka-establish ng mga coffee shop dito, mga stores. Like, di ba no? Very ano siya aesthetic. Aesthetic. Diba yung mga coffee shop po? Si Peanuts. Mag-ayos na lang ako. So, bali si Big Girl Scout. And I ordered iced. Junk food? You're gonna ruin your stomach eating all that stuff. Sabi nito. Here, try one of these sweetie. This one is in Peanuts Cafe here in Harajuku. I really love this. Sarap. Sarap ng coffee. Ang ganda ng mga merch. I like the tote bag, but it's a tarpaulin bag. Okay. Hey, no way to eat. Sarap din ah. Those are the hotels sa taas ng Snoopy. Tapos merong H&M din also here. More on Japanese theme beauty of Uniqlo shirt. Ang ganda ng Uniqlo dito. Aesthetic. Ang kita man ng free lunch nila for a mall. Diba? Dragon Ball shirt. Ay, may Naruto rin. Second hand din sila. Guys, si Goku naging Mr. Suabe. Ay no. What's that? Okay. Ang ganda.
Ganito siya, diba? Ito, platform
Diba?
mo.
Should I be trying that?
Try it.
Baka ano. Shoot na.
Guys, ang ganda You want barko? I give you barko.
Yeah. Especially for us na medyo. Yes, 90s. Bahala. Ito para. Ayun na rin po ba yun?
Ano yung vibe niya? Passport.
Hindi eh.
Document. We're in the APC underground store. Yo. APC pero Jejemon. Hala. Cute ah. Like it. Ang ganda ng experience.
But this one is cute though.
Japan.
ABC Hapon.
Guys, ang ganda. Look. I have this kind of NTC. This one has orange red. Also, this one. If you want barko, I give you barko. Ayan. Goy. Ami Perez. Ano meron dito?
Di ba kasi?
Oo nga, eh bak 6 to 9,000. So 300k yan.
Di baka ano to? Baka limited edition of ano yun.
Sinuot ni Beyonce, ganun. Ang pop. Papoy. Ayun man, how much? 1,000. 1,000 yan. Guys, ang ganda ng RL store here. Nice building. Let's go. Grabe naman kalaki to, guys.
香りがブレンドされた香水があります。いや、
Oh, nice package. Ang ganda nito, oh, para tambourine. 16 din.
あんまりないんですか、さえ
Number
Eight.
8, yeah. Oh, I see it. I knew it. Yeah. It's actually mabang.
ランスプレイ。
Oh.
They are so cute. Look at them.
Number one.
Oh.
This one,
Number
number
one.
same. Unisex perfume.
Oh, okay.
Yes. How much? 7, 8.
Big
10, 7, 8.
Mga 3K. How many ml?
50.
50 ml. What's this?
Made in Japan, only in Tokyo.
Only Tokyo.
Yes.
大阪もできたんでね、私が大阪行った時ってなかったからでっかい。ないじゃん、ルターだけど。
Guys, let's eat first here at the Tokyo Plaza. Here na, may gyoza eh. Tiyop na ng gyoza.
Oh, let's go up.
Dito na lang. Guys, we're having sushi again for lunch. I got that.
Is there? Katsu. Salmon katsu.
Ayan, fried.
She speaks too loud and laughs too hard and she drinks too much.
Guys, let's eat.
Which makes a grown man sweat and blush, my honeybee. Ain't nothing she would not do for me. She never plays it coy, my bundle of joy.
Hey guys, we're here at Harajuku. Dapat punta kami ng punta kami ng Disneyland, but we opted to stay here na lang at Harajuku kasi ang daming area na pwede mag-shopping, and ngayon medyo yun yung nafe-feel namin, like chill lang for coffee shop instead of Disneyland kasi ayun, since this is technically the last full day namin. Bukas yung alis namin 7 PM. Pero we have to to buy some pasalubong ulit. And check namin yung area kasi first time namin, galing ako nung isang araw, pero first time namin this time dito sa Harajuku area. And the area actually is very nice. Very chill. A lot of good stores. Even mga shoe store, luxury goods, andito, perfumes. Ikot-ikot lang kami. Baka mag-coffee shop din ulit kami. Galing din kami ng Stupi Cafe. And okay rin yung coffee nila doon. Masarap. So, yeah. Then also the ambience. Ang cute ng cafe na yun. Guys, this is the famous I'm Donut. Haba ng pila. There. Donut X twice. There.
Oh, good, good. I used to do like after.
There. So, mag-classic.
Go classic, go pistachio, and then go
Matcha.
matcha.
Ito ba sila? Tatlo.
Ah, I thought this one. Oh, go lang.
Yes, we ordered I'm Donut. Classic siya. Pistachio. And that's it.
抹茶かな4点とこれ1枚お付けして
Yes. Got the donut. Guys, we get the donut at I'm Donut? Yes, I am. Donut.
Ito yung may
Matcha.
matcha. Yeah. In terms of color.
There's one more. Malambot. It's good. I like it. Medyo mahal lang talaga. Is it better?
For a donut, matcha is like instead the classic taste is like a regular glazed donut.
Ang ganda. Which one? This? Ito? Or black? Guys, wala na naman kaming stocks here at Onitsuka. Tara. Looks quaint. Go! Let's go! Island Vintage Coffee. I saw a lot of people here. With a view of sarap. This one guys is Island Vintage Coffee in Harajuku. RL's Coffee Shop. Cafe. We're going to Onitsuka Tiger. There. Still looking for my yellow sneaker from Onitsuka, pero hopefully makaharap na ako ng size ko. 5 days na ako naghahanap guys. Hopefully. There, Onitsuka. Tiger. Dami naman shop dito, oh. I saw some. Kaso
But the black is nice.
arigato. CDG, here we go! Let's go to Adidas store. Guys, still no stock for me. No Onitsuka Tiger stock for Mexico 66. Yellow. And Adidas na lang. But this is the Matcha Tokyo. Hanggang 7 lang sila, last order.
Number 1, so call you when it's ready. Thank you.
Let's try this Matcha Tokyo ice cream. Actually, hindi ko pa ito na-try. Sa Manila meron naman tayong Tokyo Matcha Tokyo. Pero, yeah. Let's try this matcha ice cream here. There. From Tokyo. Matcha Tokyo. From Tokyo. 4.5 for samba. Daming izakaya dito. Look. Kasi mainit. Finally we got some. Let's go. Ang daming gulay. Grabe. So,
失礼いたします。おしラーメンです。
Arigatou. Who's Alright. Honey latte salted caramel. Alright. We just had a morning coffee here at Nipori Detour Coffee. And we're now going again to Harajuku for final shopping. And hopefully, meron na tayong stock ng Onitsuka Tiger na yellow shoes. Sabi kasi kagabi, today daw baka magkaroon ng stock. So, then we're going na to airport since this is our last day here in Tokyo, Japan. So we're just finalizing our last minute shopping. So right there. Guys, this is the Onitsuka Tiger na. Ang dami ng tao. Bakit ang daming tao? Hopefully may stocks ng tao. Hello. Mexico 66 in yellow.
Yeah, over there.
A size 9.
US men.
Yes. Looks like meron. Kumuha siya ng stocks eh. Grabe. Daming tao na no, kahit 14 minutes pa lang silang open.
Pinag-birthday yung mga sinabihan kahapon.
Ito pa oh. Yung black din.
Kaya nilang yung mag-o.
Sa kabila. Kasi dalawa stores nila guys. Tutulog mo na to. Go.
Do you have passport?
Guys, we got our shoes. Taning! Guys, we bought CDG t-shirt. But, I thought may tao dito. Manikin pala. Guys, let's go. We're here at Nipori again and we're going to eat na some lunch at Tenya daw. Tenya. For tempura for lunch. Ito kami kanina nag-coffee sa Dutour. Kalapit niya si Tenya. Let's order.
Dito doon.
Cold wow guys. Alright. Tempura for lunch. At Tenya. Dami orders. What's up in cheese?
It's good.
Let's try the cheese mozzarella. Guys, we're still waiting for our train to arrive. Going to airport, Skyliner train. Time check, 2:56. Train is 3:05. Guys, we're going back to Manila tonight. Guys, ang bilis. It's a bullet train. At the airport now, tagal ng biyahe, 45 minutes. We're going to Terminal 3 na. Sadly, wala palang lounge doon kasi medyo maliit lang yung Terminal 3 compared to 1 and 2.
This flight has been changed from 168 to 160.
Was successful. We just passed through the immigration and the security. Now it's time for final shopping. Akihabara souvenir shop. Ooh. This one is nice. 44,000. How much is 44,000?
44 is...
Yung sa'yo sa sapatos mo? 7. Not bad. Tapos free na to diba kasi duty free. 44k in yen. Ito guys, napapalitan siya ng mukha and arms. Ditaw yan?
Dito.
How much? 1,000.
I'll get one.
100 lang naman tatlo eh. This one is Tokyo banana. we got Tokyo Banana. Bili tayo ng ham and egg. So, meron pa akong fast food here. It's 3-1. 300. It's stuck. 405 na lang pera natin. Ayan. Karitas. Sandwich. Egg and ham. Family Mart. One croque monsieur. Guys, GK41 150E by bus. Let's go. Let's go to our gate. Hala, ang daming tao. Guys, it's Key Coffee. Ang sarap. Ang sarap. Curry chicken.
Gotta get away now, but I can't seem to take the lead. Oh baby, how could I know there was no second chances? Like dominoes, my life got really scattered. Still, I find myself hoping that you'll find your way back to me. 'Cause I've been stone cold since you left me here. So come home, why won't you reappear? Things that I said came out totally wrong. Can't speak of the truth when it's taken.